Hey, what's fine guys? I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone, and today it's a very special day. Why? Because it's the total eclipse of the sun in Montreal. And I just rented a Sony lens. It's 100 to 400 millimeters over there at Gosselin Photo, one of the best camera store in Montreal. So stay tuned after this to see what I captured. Okay, I'm on site. I'm in front of the stadium, the Olympic Stadium of Montreal. It's almost there. I'm going to show you on my camera there. So as you can see, the sun's almost covered by the moon, and we're ready. My friend is piloting my drone over there. Oops, over there. His name is Joel. Thank you, Joel, for doing this for me. He's concentrated. So, yep. We're ready, so let's see how it goes with full totality in 15 minutes. Okay, now it's getting dark. I'm gonna show you we're almost there. It's my camera doesn't the camera just to the lighting right now. It's very, very, very dim. If I manage to film over there. Everything is so dim, and it's almost there. I'm gonna show you yeah, it's almost there. I'm gonna take a picture. People are getting frantic and excited, but it's getting dark. It's really, okay, the lamps are on now in the streets. Oh man, it was so short. It lasted maybe for 10 seconds, the full eclipse, and I managed to do it out of focus. So I have the full eclipse out of focus, but just in the nick of time I could arrange the focus, and it was perfectly... So hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. I won't tell you anymore, but thanks for watching guys, and see you this summer for other videos. Fly safe guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.